Good morning, class 4th. Today we have started a new chapter, that is the chapter number 6, the digestive system. First, we have start with the pictures. Here the mouth, food pipe, liver, stomach, pancreas, large intestine and the small intestine and anus. These parts are consist the digestive system. First, start with our body gets energy from the food that we can eat. However, our body cannot use the food in the form it is written. It needs to be the broken down into the simpler forms, and the process of breaking down of the food into the simpler form is called the digestion. The different organs of our digestive systems are mouth, food pipe, liver, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, and the anus. And each of these organs does a different job, but together they complete the digestion process. Mouth, in the mouth, the teeth, the grind the food into the smaller pieces, and saliva present in the mouth makes the food soft and turned in sweet, and this happens because saliva converted starch into the food to sugar, and from the mouth the food get into the food pipe and takes the food to the stomach, and the food is collected in a bag like structure called the stomach. Here the food is ground to the form of paste and mixed with the digestive juice produced by the wall of the stomach. And next in the small intestine, the food that enters from the stomach to the small intestine is partially digested, but more digestive juices are added to the food in the small intestine. And the next one is the large intestine. The undigested food is now passed on the large intestine. Here, most of the water is absorbed back from the undigested food. And the last, the undigested food is thrown out of the body through and the opening called the anus. Again, I have repeated that portion. Mouth, the teeth grind the food into the smaller pieces, and the saliva present in the mouth makes the food soft and turns in the sweet. From the mouth, the food get into the food pipe, takes the food to the stomach, and the food collected in a bag like structure called the stomach. Here the food is ground to the paste to form a paste and mixed with the digestive juices produce the wall of the stomach. Then after that, the small intestine. The small intestine, here the food that enters from the stomach is partially digested, and the more digestive juices are added to the food in a small intestine. Bile from the liver and the pancreas, juice from the pancreas are added to the food to digest it completely, and thus the digestion of a food ends in the small intestine, and the blood absorbs the digestive food and delivers it to the different parts of the body. And the next, in the large intestine, the undigested food is now passed on the large intestine. Here, most of the water is absorbed back from the undigested food. The undigested food is thrown out of the body through and the opening called the anus. And class, today I have bent your session here, and today's your question is, draw the picture of digestive system in your copy. Again I have repeated, draw the picture of digestive system in your copy, and we have meet in your next video. Then thank you class.